this challenging time era of our nation, inclusivity serves as a beacon of transparency and accountability, powerful tools to fight against corruption. With inclusive governance, every Filipino has a voice, leaving little room for corruption. If we learn to value our differences, set aside our political and personal interests, and let our love for the country prevail, we can build an inclusive government where no Filipino is ever left behind.
When we talk about good governance, we often think of laws, systems, and policies. But at the heart, it's something simple: kindness. A leader who listens with compassion, makes decisions with empathy, and treats people with respect, in which in return creates trust and unity. Kindness may seem small, but it inspires cooperation, fairness, and hope. If we lead with kindness, we lead with hope.
Role modeling is leadership at its most authentic. Living the values we speak of and being consistent on the action is what makes integrity and purpose have meaning. In governance, where decisions shape both policies and the moral tone of society, the decisions of the leaders carries far greater weight than any speech or duty. In the end, role modeling is the true legacy of leadership. The proof that action carries greatness more than any word or power ever could.
Good governance plays a vital role in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. One of the strongest advocacies under SDG would be quality education. Quality education empowers people, it promotes equality, and it drives innovation. Through transparent leadership and accountable institutions, we can ensure that every child has access to quality learning opportunities. With this priority, we are building a sustainable future where poverty is reduced and a chance to contribute meaningfully to the society.
Accountability. The word given to me is very timely. Accountability. Given today's corruption scandals in our country, accountability is no longer optional. It is essential. Our leaders must be reminded that power is not a privilege. It is a responsibility. And accountability should be our cornerstone. Kaya, mga kababayan ko, if we want a Philippines that rise, we must demand transparency and hold those in power accountable. Only then can we build a nation worthy of the future we dream of. Dakanda, salamat po.
Good governance starts with motivation, the genuine drive to lead people with honesty, fairness, and accountability. We deserve a leader who is committed to truth, equality, and moral integrity. With progressive leadership, we can build a better Philippines. So let's all be motivated to stand up on corruption.
Tumunayan na nagpapanahon, paglaban natin ang seguridad ng mabuting pamamahala. Tayo ay magkaisa, boses ng lahat ay mahalaga. Para sa malinis na pamamahala, mga lider na tapat ay siyang makihalala. Sama-sama tayong manipila, pagmamahal sa bayan ang ating sabigan. Ito po si John Paul, bumangon, mabuting pamamahala, sigaw na Bulacan.
Social is about building company. Social is about community and building connections. And the same is true for the government. Even with its flaws, there is still good in it. When they listen, when they engage, and when they make decisions along with the people. And a government that is social is a government that is honest and responsive. And that matters because when the government and the people are truly connected to each other, trust grows, hope remains, and progress is something we can all share together.
Imagine a world where every voice is heard and every concern is addressed swiftly. Responsiveness is the heartbeat of a thriving democracy, where leaders not just act as decision makers but as an active listeners. In the Philippines, this principle is vital for bridging the gaps between the government and its citizen. And when the government responds to the needs and aspirations of its people, it cultivates trust and collaboration, paving the way for a more unified and resilient society.
Transparency. Transparency is a fundamental pillar of good governance. In light of the persistent issue, like the misuse of the public funds without clear accountability, we need leaders who report honestly, act openly, and answer to the people. We, the Filipino people, deserve a clear access to information on how public funds are used. Without transparency, public trust erodes, and corruptions prevail. Naimbag nga rabili to Filipinas.
Water. Imagine a world where fairness and truth guide every action. A world where good governance ensures that everyone is safe. It involves standing up for the truth, protecting the vulnerable, and giving voice to the unheard. Like a steady flow of water, we must bring balance to society and lay down the foundation for peace and progress. Because when we fight for justice, we help create a better world. One where fairness prevails and everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you.
Growth happens with built accountability. We need honest leaders, firm policies, and systems that stop abuse of power. Through growth, corruption ends. Politics stop being business. And public servant means serving people.
Participation is crucial because it reflects how invested someone is. It shows that they are interested, willing to learn, willing to lend a hand, supportive, and committed to playing their part, whether it is leadership or as a member. When people participate, it boosts communication. It helps to build a better communication. It helps in decision-making process, and it boosts the team, and it solves problems and provides better solutions. It goes with the saying, teamwork makes the dream work.
Justice systems, the justice systems, is meant to protect people. However, in the
Philippines. Many still feel it only caters to those who want power and money. Justice is never denied nor delayed, because Filipinos deserve fairness and equal treatment. As listeners of Filipinas, I am here to voice out and remind that true progress begins when justice is felt by all, not by some. And I thank you.
Love. As a future nurse, my love isn't just for my patients, but also for my country. I believe that love has many forms, but the greatest is the love for our country. And loving our country means practicing good governance and standing firm against corruption. Because if we fight corruption, we show the truest form of love for our country. So let us say yes to integrity, say yes to good governance, and together, we can build a quality life for every Filipinos.
Corruption is putting our nation in great danger. In the 2028 presidential election, we must protect our dignity. I am encouraging everyone to choose leaders who are honest, who uphold integrity, and who truly respect the Filipino people. Because choosing with dignity is choosing a better future. It is choosing a better nation.
Recognizing that gender roles should not limit the person's potential. A true leader ensures that every individual, whether man or woman, is given equal opportunity to contribute to society. We create a balance that reflects fairness and inclusivity. It is about giving every voice a space to be heard and every role and dignity to be valued. True progress comes when both man and woman lead side by side, not in competition, but in collaboration.
Corruption harms our society. It goes projects and infrastructure